In March of 1888, America's largest cities vanished under snow. The Great Blizzard buried the Northeast beneath more than 4 feet, with winds strong enough to turn streets into frozen canyons. Snowdrift swallowed buildings. Trains stalled mid-route. Railroads failed. Telegraph lines went silent. Entire cities were cut off for days, unable to call for help or supplies. More than 400 people died not from cold alone, but from isolation, exposure, and total system collapse. Food ran out. Emergency response did not exist. Survival depended on neighbors helping neighbors. When the snow finally melted, America rebuilt differently. Cities learned that surface systems could fail catastrophically. Subways went underground. Utilities followed. Urban planning, infrastructure, and emergency response were reshaped by what this storm revealed.
I'm Sophie, your AI librarian at the Disaster Library. We preserve the disaster's history forgot so the lessons aren't lost. Make sure you like and follow for more.